Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tan Wah Ching. I work in the dental studio and I practice here as a periodontist. I'm sure everybody know what is brushing teeth, but do you know what interdental cleaning is about? So interdental cleaning actually encompasses the using of interdental aids to clean on the in-between areas of your teeth, which is often missed out. One of the most common interdental aids which you can see will be the dental floss. Dental floss is actually a string which you can use to floss proximal sides of your teeth. It is one of the most commonly used interdental aids because it's versatile and can be used by most patients. Flosser is usually used by patients who have some dexterity issue when using the dental floss. So it functions like a floss, except that it has a plastic holder which helps the patient in maneuvering the interdental contacts of the teeth. Interdental brushes are brushes that look like little milk bottle brushes which you can find in the pharmacy. Interdental brush is usually also for interdental cleaning and is very useful for patients who have lost some of the gum structure and there's some gaps between the teeth, so they can use this for interdental cleaning and it's easier and require less dexterity compared to a floss. In the good old toothpick that we know, there's also what we call an interdental aid. It is something convenient which you can use when you are out on the go and you require some interdental cleaning. I have many patients who are very excited about new gadgets and they ask me about water pick or something we call water floss. So what it is actually an apparatus that gives you pressurized water that aids in interdental cleaning. However, I usually tell my patients that it's important that when you use water pick for interdental cleaning, you still need to supplement with flossing or mechanical interdental cleaning. There are so many interdental aids, so which is the best, you may ask? Well, I would think that it's all customized to the patient, so it all depends on what your situation is. So for example, like a floss would be more suitable for someone with minimal gum issues and good dexterity. And a patient with marginal problem with dexterity, you can consider a flossette if you need something like a floss. And for patients who have undergone some gum treatment or have gum diseases, usually they are more suitable to use an interdental brush. Ultimately, all interdental aids function similarly. It is actually something extra to the dental brush and it helps in cleaning the interdental areas of the teeth.